and welcome back. If you are new, hello and welcome to the family. This is a shorter video that I am doing. I'm just cleaning out the refrigerator before we do our big grocery shop. I'm going through and making sure the dates and stuff is good on everything. And I actually had some other footage, and of course, you know how you put it in the safe spot, so you'll remember where it's at. Yeah, well, I have no idea where that safe spot is, so some of my footage is not in this that I did do, because the 3 shelves over by the coffee bar, I decluttered and made that for like our coffee mugs and travel cups and stuff like that, and that did not show up in this video because I cannot find my footage, of course. For all I know, my phone could have been recording, or at least I think it was recording and it not save or something, and the shaky camera would be the baby in her walker, of course. And there is a little part in here that I left in here just to show how cute and adorable she is. She was saying hi to everyone and blowing kisses. But yeah, this refrigerator, it had been a while since it had a deep clean. And yeah, you see me looking at that. That thing somehow leaked out in the bottom of the drawer. And we are not big drinkers at the house, so those have probably been in there probably since New Year's, maybe before that. I'm not even sure, but you can kind of see back here in the back, it somehow, the lid got bent on it or something, and it like spilled all in there, and I was taking like Lysol and spraying in there trying to clean it up. That didn't work because I was just going to do like a quick wipe down until I got to noticing that everything was sticky and disgusting, and I don't even want to think what all that stuff was. You'll actually see me here in a little, yep, right there, I'm putting on gloves because I was not about to mess in all that. But I did get the refrigerator cleaned. I had Ebony washing the shelves. That was me saying why. But I had her washing the shelves off in the bathtub while I just cleaned like the biggest mess that I could in there. Like that looked like some milk. I don't know if it might have been from where I was spraying the Lysol or what the heck it was, but she was washing the shelves and stuff out in the bathtub while I was wiping everything else down and trying my best to get that stickiness out of the bottom of it. And also, you'll see me in a little bit, I took and where I had originally put the spices and stuff on that one bottom shelf over by the stove, I put all like the extra like spices and stuff on the very top shelf, and then the little organized spice things on the bottom shelf. You'll see it in a minute. And then the 2 cabinets above the hood range, I took and I decluttered in there, and there was also some extra spices in there that I just moved over. I cleaned it out, well, I vacuumed it out and got rid of anything that was out of date, and I put the cookbooks and stuff up there, and then, trying to think, now I can't even remember what else I put up in there. I don't know, but it'll show in the video what all I put up there. But, I did that, and I also decluttered, like I said, those 3 shelves, but of course, that footage is somewhere. I don't know. I'll probably find it on another SD card I have somewhere. But yeah, I kind of slowed this video down a little bit because where I didn't have that one footage, I wanted to kind of make the video a little longer. But of course it didn't go as long as I wanted it to, but that's okay. It took several different days to get this done. You'll see a change in outfit of me and the baby. It took several days to get it all finished and recorded, and now I'm trying to get it uploaded. And at the very end of the video, I show you all the places that I had decluttered and organized and stuff like that. And I think that is all I did in this video. The refrigerator, the 3 cabinets by the coffee bar, and then the spice cabinet and the 2 cabinet. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all that I did in this video. I'm hoping that the next video, since I pretty much decluttered everything in the kitchen that I can, I'm thinking that the next video, hopefully, fingers crossed, would be me starting to paint the kitchen. And because I want to paint the kitchen walls and then the kitchen cabinets. I'm hoping that that will be the next video, but honestly, there's really no telling, because I record when I can and I do stuff when I can. But yeah, guys, I'll be quiet and let y'all finish watching and everything, and wait for the cute little pop-up moment of my little Izzy baby. She wanted to say hi, and she gave smiles and blue kisses. But I will catch y'all in the next one, guys. Thank y'all for being here. I greatly appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe.
You do it. Say hi.
I'm trying to get this stuff off of this because I have my
Who's a
original
pretty
email.
girl?
Can you stop freaking the fuck out?
Say
Going
hi.
back to original state.
Oh, I feel like
Say
I would work for at least a little bit for you.
Say hi.
It won't.
Do it. Say
Dude,
hi.
I need some vice grips or something.
Say hi.
But anyways, you want me to tell you the most
Can you blow a
funniest
kissy?
thing
Go.
I've ever seen?
Mwah.
There you go.
Good
Good job.
job. Yay,
Yay, baby.
One day, I'm normally
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that has I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Every day I see miserable people doing things they hate just to fit in. I know it's easier to get along peacefully, but have you ever thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on a Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich by trying to see the outside? I know it's hard sometimes to believe it, that you deserve more. Let me say it. Oh, quit the job you hate and love the ones you love. 'Cause have you ever really thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on a Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich by trying to see the outside? We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on a Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich by trying to see the outside?
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.